everyone, welcome back to today's video. Do you know what? You are right now sharing 50% of your DNA with a banana. And have you ever wondered if you could analyze your DNA or see how it looks? Today, that's what we're going to do, but not exactly your DNA. We are using the banana's DNA because, as I told, you share 50% of your DNA with the banana. So, I'm going to tell you how to extract DNA from banana. We are going to need these materials: a coffee strainer, a beaker or a bottle which is transparent, preferably, and a few teaspoons, salt, 2 cups, water, and dish soap. I will keep the water and dish soap down now. Now, we need to peel the banana to start the procedure. As you can see, I have peeled my banana. Now I need to put it inside my Ziploc cover. We need half cup of water. Now I have added the water here. I will zip the bag neatly. Now I will mash this banana. I have been mashing the banana and I understood that the small bag was insufficient and I took the bigger bag. Now I have mashed the banana completely. We need to put this aside for a few minutes. Next, we need to take one of our bowls and we are going to put 1 tablespoon of dish liquid. No problem if your putting is not precise. It does not have to be precise. It's just an approximate. Now I'm taking 1 tablespoon of salt and 1/4 cup of water. Doesn't have to be precise. As soon as you feel it has come a little level above the dish soap and this salt, that's enough. Now we need to stir this with a spoon. I'm using 1 tablespoon to stir this one. Make sure you don't get it too frothy or foamy because our experiment won't work then. Then a ball of fluff will come out of the strainer. Now I have stirred this mixture completely and it's green color because my dish soap is green. Next, we need to take back our banana mash. Carefully open it and put 2 tablespoons of our banana mash. You can put a little more, that's no problem. That's 1. And that's 2. Now I need to stir this banana mash and our detergent soap liquid mixture neatly. About 1 to 2 minutes and leave it for 4 minutes. I guess this much will be enough. While we wait, I will tell you why we are putting the detergent soap and the salt. Detergent soap breaks down the walls of the cells or the cell membranes and the nucleus comes out and our DNA is present in the chromosomes. We can say it like the DNA is present in the chromosomes are present in the nucleus are present in the cells, and many cells make up our yummy banana. And slowly and steadily, our chromosomes wall also start to break down and the DNA slowly comes out while we keep it. Make sure you keep it for more than 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. That's when the detergent soap breaks down the chromosomes and the nucleus and gets the DNA out. I will be back in 5 to 10 minutes. Now I have left it undisturbed for 10 minutes and stirred it. Now let's give a quick stir. And now the next step will be taking this coffee filter and strain it. I will slowly put this through and wait for it to come down. Already the thing has started to come down. Don't disturb it here or start pushing it with your finger or a spoon. It will come down by its own. Now I have left it undisturbed for a few minutes and enough of this liquid has fallen through. Most of it is DNA mixed with water. The next procedure is the fun one. We need to remove the mixture with water and get it in a plant and in a mushy plant-based substance. Now, as you can see here, this is our solution which has fallen through our strainer. We are going to need some extra things, some tweezers and a syringe. You can use alcohol or sanitizer. Make sure you use sanitizer. Make sure you use alcohol. If you don't have alcohol, you can use sanitizer. But make sure that your sanitizer alcohol level is above 60%. Only then the experiment will work, or else it won't. Now I'm gonna get my sanitizer. Wow, I got my sanitizer. But here is a mentioning note. Make sure your sanitizer or alcohol, whatever it is chilled, because only if it's chilled the experiment will work. I'll tell you why it needs to be chilled in the end. So I'm gonna open this and use my syringe. Suck some of it inside. I have about 5 ml over here. Now I need to put this in here. I'll put it just like that. Make sure you fill about at least 1/4 of the bottle. I have filled about 1/4 of bottle, as you can see. Now we need our mixture. Now I need to put my banana mash solution inside my sanitizer. I have 5 ml. Let's put one other. And last one. Make sure you put your sanitizer and your banana mash at the same quantity. Let's just put a little more banana mash. And we're done. We need to wait for 10 to 15 minutes and see what will happen. I'll see you in 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm back after 10 to 15 minutes and the DNA looks good to me. Before we start analyzing or looking at the DNA, I'll tell you why salt and the chilled alcohol sanitizer is used. Salt allows the DNA to precipitate. That's why our DNA is at the top, or it would have been at the bottom or somewhere else. Why do we need to use chilled alcohol or sanitizer? Because this slows down the process of degradation. Let us look at the DNA now. As you can see, the white cloudy substance at the top floating at the top of the alcohol is our DNA of banana. Let me slowly bring it out. This DNA is in a plant-based form. That's why it is a very long molecule and is very easy to fish out. I'll bring the other parts of the DNA out now. Now I have removed the DNA and it is here. This is the DNA of the banana. But what is it used for? To know this, we need to go back a little to one of our previous videos. Please see my sister's video on the history of bananas. There, she tells about a disease called Panama disease which hit the bananas long ago. But if any disease like that comes now, we can we can analyze the DNA and find out ways to strengthen the breed and protect it. This is the use of the DNA. I hope you enjoyed with me in this video extracting the DNA of the banana. The link for the mentioned video is provided in the description box below. I'll see you again. Bye.